So let's go back little in time in Singapore before you guys were planning to start this out. So what led you guys to begin with this in first place? Like, what was that motivation, inclination? Like, what was that thought process?
So we were both in Singapore actually, Arush and myself. He was working with an asset management company. I was again working with a company which is headquartered in Bangalore. They were into manufacturing of ingredients which go into, FMCG goods, right? So we were both in very comfortable and cushy jobs, right? But somewhere down the line, we wanted to do something of our own, right? And it was about almost a year, we were toying with the idea of basically doing this because Arush's mom, Dr. Chopra, was already, making these basically lotions and potions back in Mohali, right? And we thought that, okay, we already have this in the home. So it was not in the form of a business, a little more than a hobby and a little less than a business, I would say. And that's when we thought that, okay, when we have something at home, why don't we go and give this a shot? And it was like this, right? And we both wanted to mainly do something. We wanted to take, we wanted to deep dive into our entrepreneurship. We both wanted to do that. And after about a year, we zeroed down on this, and that's how it started. We both moved back from Singapore to Mohali. Yeah. So that
And
was one thing. And
anything?
also I would say that we could see the wave of so we were in Singapore, and we could see this wave coming of online shopping in India, because we could see this happen overseas, and we knew that this is something which will, take over in India as well. So I think both the things together, and that's how it happened.
And what was that sort of journey from 0 to 10 crores and 10 crores to 100?
Hmm. So, as I told you, the journey from 0 to 10, uh, we were mainly bootstrapped, you know. So, the first 5 years, we started in 2014, and 2014 to 18 was this journey of 10 crores,
How much?
right?
So it took you 5 years for the 10
4
crores.
years, yeah, yeah, because we were completely bootstrapped. And as I said, that when we moved back, the ecosystem was such, there was nothing known as the D2C, you know. There was no word as D2C. There was no cash on delivery. So the ecosystem was just setting in. You had the Nikas of the world coming in, and Flipkart was setting in. And there were so many other marketplaces which don't exist right now, right? So yeah, so it took us about 4 years to get from 0 to 10, and I would say, and being bootstrapped, right? Because all this, these dynamics of funding and all of that started around 2017, right? So I would say that was probably it was a hard journey, but we learned a lot. Our basic foundation got very solid in those 4 years. So that journey 0 to 10 was a very tough one when you have very limited funds and you're running your homes also from that, right? So that was a tough journey. And then, of course, after that, 10 to 100 was different, because then you've raised funds, and then you have to multiply, right? So then there was no looking back. So they were both very different journeys, both very interesting, both very challenging in their own way. But if I have to say what was harder, probably 2014 to 18, when you are bootstrapped, when you are running your own homes with that money, when you have to still, when you have to still, from like a 2 crore turnover, go to 4 to 6 to 8, because you want the business to grow, and when the funds are so limited. So I would say that definitely 0 to 10 was a harder journey versus a 10 to 100. 10 to
So in
it was definitely a more busier journey, more where you are constantly absorbed, where you are building your team, where there's lots happening. 10 to 100, right? uh yeah, so this is how I would, you're building.